Okay, so what do you think might be a way to improve here?
Well, I think you would want to maybe try to maximize your winnings on this, maybe this first step here, because from there, it sort of decreases even if you are winning a lot of money, then these probabilities make your gains less, I guess.
Okay.
So, maybe trying to maximize your chances of stopping on the first roll without, like, if you just stop on the first roll no matter what, you would again get 350.
Yeah, so 350 is sort of what we expect when we have a roll that we just have to take the outcome. We're going to win 350 is what we expect.
Well, one improvement could potentially be just stopping if you get a 4, 5, or 6, because that increases your chance of stopping to a half, and then your 3 outcomes are 400, 500, and 600.
Mm-hmm.
So your average gain is $500. So it's a decrease, but you're triple the chance of.
Okay. Well, maybe we can play this out. So now let's see if we can beat approximately 426 with this new strategy, stopping on 4, 5, or 6. So why don't you draw the diagram?
So we have the start again.
I'm going to just slide this over. There you go. All right.
So you have a 1/2 chance of 4, 5, or 6,
Mm-hmm.
and then the average from that is $500.
Yep. All right. So we pick up 250 really from that, right? Because we have half a chance of winning 500.
If you get a 1, 2, or 3, which is less than 350, you keep going. And then I guess you could just do the same thing here.
Okay.
4, 5, or 6. You get 500, and this is also half here.
Yep. So how much does this 500 contribute? Yeah.
Only 250 total. So, yeah. So you're multiplying by, or no, just 125, right?
Right, 125 because it's a half and a half, right? So
this one contributes 250.
Yep.
This is 125, and then 1, 2, or 3, and then you just take another, or actually not even multiplying by a half, you just 350 times a fourth is your remaining amount that you add to your expected value.
That's right, 350. So a quarter of the time we'll win 500, and a quarter of the time we'll win 350. So 350 divided by 4 is 87.5.
Okay.
So we get plus 125 plus 250.
So you win 462. Oh, I think that was better than 4.
Yeah, what did we have before 4 by 4? Was it 426?
426.
All right, so this actually is a slightly better strategy.
Yep.
Okay.
It is.
But interesting. Then we can stop here for today. So I want you to think about this a little bit more. You've done actually some really good work, but it turns out this actually is not even the best strategy.
Huh.
Plus 87.5. Just to make sure we do. Yeah, 462.5. Turns out you can actually beat 462.5 just by a little bit, not by a ton, but you actually can do something a little bit better. So I want you to just sort of, spend a little bit of time today thinking about it, and then we'll come back to this problem tomorrow.
All right.
All right, good work today, huh?